So this is our 18-foot utility trailer, and we want to use it tomorrow to pick up another John Deere B. But a couple of trips ago we lost our Breakaway box and battery, so let's fix that before we take it on a trip. I also want to add some running lights in the corner of the fenders and figure out why these lights don't work and grease all the hubs. It's currently 6:30. Let's see how much of this we can get done before sun goes down. Here's the new Breakaway box from eTrailer.com. Comes with the box, charger, battery comes fully charged, and the Breakaway cable and switch. Then I also have these amber lights. So I've been looking at this for a little bit, and I could put it here, but then the bolts don't really reach, even if I drill the hole for the wires. And then if you have stuff here, it kind of hits it. And if you wanted to take this cover off, it would run into this because it's kind of pushed up. And I don't really like putting it here, but I think it's the only option. So let's get started with this. Alright, that looks good to me. Don't want to get those nuts so hot that it deforms them. Now I also want to throw a couple washers underneath here so I can zip tie this cable up. Alright, that should be it for the welding. I'm gonna let these cool down, wire brush and paint. But for now, let's start putting holes in these fenders for the amber lights. And there is a top and bottom on these lights. That looks pretty good. It's pretty much in line with the light on top of the fender. make sure these aren't loosening off or any of them break before every trip. Now we have to connect this. So we've got black, blue, white, and red. Let's see. So this is the charger for the old battery. So I think we can get rid of that. So it looks like red and black go together, then white, and then blue. Pretty simple. I think we're missing something here. I'm cheating with the backup camera. Okay, so with the box there, should be fully charged, and the breakaway switch pulled. If we try and pull forward, the wheels should not spin. Now let me finish hooking this trailer up. So I wired in those lights on the fender. I think they look pretty good. Definitely, you know, that's the corner of the fender, so don't... while I was under there, check all the leaf springs, no cracks in the leaf springs. Check these bushings. Those bushings aren't worn out. Everything looks good. Just, this is the night before inspection. Wheel bearings sound good.
Actually get a house and at a good price.
Yeah.
It's like you're doing SAT word problems.
My car gets about 21 gallons per mile.
Oh, stop it,
So
stop it.
that means I said.
Here it is. What a gem. Just your standard John Deere B. Although it does have this interesting hydraulic pump setup. Motor's locked up though. They said they put diesel in it, which there is diesel in there right now. Radiator's holding water, so that's pretty good. The grills aren't too bad. Not the best though. Got this cylinder on it. The clutch moves, which is good. Needs to be adjusted, but... And then the main attraction, 3-point hitch. It's all there. All the brackets. The pins are a little bit seized, but it's not a big deal. And then also all the lights are there, and they all have unbroken glass. Now we sit in the southbound traffic on 95.